In this video, we're going to dive into how to set up a drip email campaign in GetResponse. Whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to streamline your campaigns, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, once you're logged into GetResponse, go to the Automation tab. This is where all the magic happens. You're going to create a workflow that triggers emails to be sent automatically over time. So let's click Create Workflow to start. Next thing, you'll see options to choose from various templates or create one from scratch. The beauty of GetResponse is that it offers pre-made templates, which can save you time if you're just getting started. But if you want full control, starting from scratch might be your best option. Click on the blank template and you're off. Now, you'll want to add a trigger for your campaign. A trigger is what sets the drip campaign into motion. For example, you can set it so that when someone subscribes to your list, the campaign begins. Just choose Subscribes to List as your trigger. You can also add additional conditions here if you want to get more specific, like choosing a particular form or tag. This step ensures the right people are entering the campaign. Next thing, let's add the first email of your drip campaign. Simply click the plus sign and choose Email from the list. You can then create your email from scratch or use one of GetResponse's email templates. Once you've designed your email, set the timing for when this should go out. For example, send it immediately after someone subscribes or wait a few hours. This depends on your goal. I recommend spacing out your emails by a day or two to keep people engaged without overwhelming them. The fourth thing to consider is the sequence of emails. You can add multiple emails to the sequence by clicking the plus sign each time and adjusting the delay between them. Think of it like building a relationship with your subscribers, gradually offering them more value or information over time. You can also add actions like wait or exit to customize how the emails flow. Next, you'll want to think about the type of content you're sending. Are you nurturing a lead? Selling a product? Offering a freebie? The content you send should align with the goal of your campaign, and GetResponse offers a lot of flexibility in this regard. But here's the thing, drip email campaigns work best when the emails are spaced out with engaging, valuable content that keeps your audience coming back. Now, let's look at testing. This is crucial to make sure your campaign runs smoothly. GetResponse has A/B testing features, which means you can send different versions of your emails to different segments of your audience to see what works best. It's a great way to optimize your campaigns without guessing. Finally, once you've set everything up and tested your emails, click Activate and your drip campaign is live. GetResponse will now handle the rest, sending your emails automatically based on the triggers and timing you've set up. But before you go, here's the deal. GetResponse is an incredible tool for setting up drip campaigns, but depending on your goals, there might be better options out there. I've tested several tools, and while GetResponse is good, some alternatives can offer more for your money or better features. Stick around for those recommendations. In fact, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial of GetResponse for you. Just check the link in the description. But don't go yet, because I've also included some amazing alternatives that are even better for setting up drip campaigns like this, and they offer free trials as well. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching!